Do you want to build impressive arms without touching a single dumbbell? No gym, no excuses, just your body and 5 science-backed exercises that will get results in just 5 minutes a day. This isn't some random routine. It's built on the principles of muscle tension, high-intensity effort, and functional strength. In this video, you will understand why this short workout works and how to get the most out of it. And hey, if quick, effective workouts like this are your thing, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a bodyweight training gem. You'll perform each move for 50 seconds, followed by a 10-second rest. It's fast, focused, and powerful. Let's get started. These aren't your regular push-ups. Diamond push-ups targets your triceps more than regular push-ups. Start in a high plank position and bring your hands together under your chest to form a diamond shape with your thumbs and index fingers. Lower yourself slowly, keeping your elbows tucked in. Then push back up. The key, control over speed. Form is everything. Keep that diamond tight and your core braced. Plank shoulder taps forces your arms and core to work together. From a high plank, tap your left shoulder with your right hand, then switch. Don't let your hips sway. Stability is the secret here. Your shoulders, arms, and core will burn, and that's exactly what we want. Arm circles may sound easy, but wait until you hit the 30-second mark. Stand tall, arms outstretched, and make small, fast circles in a forward direction. After 25 seconds, reverse direction. The goal is to keep tension in your shoulders the entire time. It's actually the endurance, and not necessarily the weight, that makes your delts pop. Let's move on to triceps dips, focusing all the work on your triceps. Find a chair or use the edge of your bed. Sit down, hands on the edge with fingers pointing forward. Slide forward and lower yourself, bending your elbows straight back. Push up without locking your elbows. No bouncing. Keep that tricep tension constant. If you're loving these exercises so far, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more no-equipment, muscle-building routines like this one. Plus, if you're serious about getting results, drop a comment below letting me know which exercise you're excited to try. A great way to finish strong without compromising form is with wall push-ups. Stand arm's length from a wall, hands flat, shoulder width apart. Lower yourself with control, then push back out. Adjust your distance to change the intensity. The closer to the wall you are, the easier it is. To make it harder, step further away from the wall. The further you stand, the more effort your arms and shoulders will need to make. So, why do these 5 moves actually build muscle even without equipment? Here's the secret: time under tension. Research shows that muscle growth doesn't depend on how heavy you lift. It's about how long your muscles are engaged. Each 50-second set in this routine keeps your arms working hard within the ideal tension window for hypertrophy. That means you're stimulating real muscle development every round. No shortcuts, just smart, focused work. These movements also train your stabilizers, the smaller muscle groups that support bigger ones. Exercises like push-ups and planks activate your core, shoulders, and arms all at once, leading to better symmetry, control, and muscle definition. And because you're working in a high-intensity format with minimal rest, you're also elevating your heart rate and burning fat, a double win. You're not just training harder, you're training smarter. Want to turn this into a full workout plan? Repeat this circuit 2 to 3 times, or mix it with our other bodyweight workouts for a full upper body burn. You can increase difficulty by slowing down the reps, adding a hold at the bottom of each move, or even wearing a backpack with books for extra resistance. If you're serious about training anywhere, anytime with just your body weight, make sure to subscribe and join the tribe. We drop weekly workouts designed to help you build real strength, no matter your fitness level. Let's recap what we covered in this video. 5 focused exercises. No equipment needed. Maximum tension, minimal time. Real gains. Now all that's left is to hit play and get to work. This is your time. This is your body. Let's build strength together.